Hey guys, what's going on? ConfermentRM here, back with another Bitcoin 2-minute technicals video. I'm kind of starting off here with Bitcoin shorts. We haven't looked at the shorts in a little while, but in the past like 4 days over the weekend, we actually got a breakout in the shorts. And that's quite intriguing. As you guys know, when the shorts are breaking out, this is the sentiment in the market, people thinking that the price is going to go lower in Bitcoin. And right now we're sitting at a very contingency of a level here. We were thinking that we could get a push to the upside, getting ourselves around that 28.5 to 29,000 and then getting another fall. But right now, if we zoom in here on a 1 hour, we can see we're not making that headway. We originally had the short-term target of kind of holding ourselves above this trend line, but it looks like we haven't been able to get through 27,787, and we were talking about that region of holding this trend line falling downwards, and we did get a brief wick up there to the 100-day moving average here in the 1 hour, but we just got completely pushed down through it. So now we have to kind of come back and look at it from another logical perspective of what we see happening. So let's get rid of all these lines. We don't necessarily need them. As you can see, we have an inverse chart here. You can see that we hit the 0.5 and we're coming back up to the 1, held for support around the 786 and the 702. It looks like we could be heading down that 26,440 or 26,650, just about. You can see if we were to do an inverse perspective, you can see how that is. Keep holding for support, calling up, and you can see it's almost like a flag formation almost. We'd have the downside like this. You could actually go right from here to here. You would take the right here to here. You can see it's coming in for a move, and that move at most would yield it to here. You go like this, right there to 26,369, and you guys would see we throw it around here, invert the scale, and you can see like that. Right down there to the 1618, and then perhaps right when we get to that region, we can talk about what's going on. But from that perspective, what usually happens: we bottom out, throw ourselves back up here to around 27,160, and then it would be a final completion down here to around that 25,330, just around here. But it looks like that might be how we're going to be playing out. We're going to have our impulsive waves down, and that's just how it'll be, because we're going to have to get a relief rally out of it, at some point. But we're meandering here sideways, for quite a while here, since Friday. Failed to get ourselves really back above that 236 around there, around this $28,000 region on the short-term chart that we had, and then even on this inverse chart, we couldn't get back above it as well. Holding for continuation on a downside around the 702, on 27,550, and now slowly losing it and coming down for this. This is what I'm expecting myself out of Bitcoin. Unfortunately, we do get our relief out of here a little bit, but I feel like we might get that one more push down and then get our nice little retracement back up a little bit higher, but then our fall continuing downwards, hitting to our original breakout zone. Because if you remember, I was telling you guys a while ago, we haven't really gotten an actual retest of around $25,000. It's just sitting right here. Our multiple retests right here, multiple retests, and then fall. And then this one, multiple retests, fly through. So now this is our first time trying to get really back to it. So just letting you know. And guess what? That leading right into May, leading right into the summer. Either there's a definite saying people go by, and the May months into the summer, I'll let you run with that. But all right, guys, I hope you're having a good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Remember, none of it's financial advice. And I appreciate all of you. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you next time.